trying to reset your Duolingo password. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. First of all, let's learn how you can reset your password when you know your current password. So launch your application, get logged into your account, tap onto your profile. Then tap on the gear icon, tap on profile, and here you will see password. Open it. At the section, if you know your current password, go ahead, type in here, create yourself a new password, and then confirm your password. Then tap on save. Now this being the way when you already know your old password. In case you don't know your old password and if you would like to reset your Duolingo account, head over to any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in forgot password of Duolingo. You will see forgot password, so tap onto it. And at this section, you have to type in the email address related with your Duolingo account. Once done, tap on submit. It says check your email, so go ahead, open up your email application. You will have received an email like this. So tap on reset password here. And at this section, simply type in your new password, confirm your password, then tap submit. This is how you can do it, and thank you for watching.